Here I've got ZOPO Speed 7 and let me show you how to reset the following device through the settings. So at first open list of all applications, then find and select the settings. Scroll down to the very bottom of the list and here you will notice backup and reset. Select the last option, which is factory data reset, and now click on reset phone. You just have to confirm that you would like to do it because it will erase all personal information and downloaded apps. So just click on erase everything. Wait a couple of seconds. And that's it. From now on you can set up your device as a new one. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.